Welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Today's comedy is ogbonge stuff. Alright guys, Sydney Tucker has seen something. You know, what he did to Burna Boy has actually happened to him, and this guy shoot comedy with him without his own knowledge. Alright guys, this is the comedy and I think is on this compilation video. Without further ado, let's dive into this comedy. Let's go, but wait. Please, if you're not subscribe. If you're a newcomer here, subscribe and be part of our giveaway. And also don't forget to like and share this video to all social media platforms and comment. Let's go!
Baba, thank you. Baba, you go show us well. You just need your boy for Trentis, go to ball. Baba, what's the app? You go show. I'll vest for you.
Nah, no worry. When we come on here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, now.
When I don't finish, I'll be on a one.
Oh, we are done. We're good.
No, I feel like
stop him now.
Oh, yeah, everywhere good now. No, how much is my bill?
52,904 naira.
Alright, that's small speed. Everywhere good.
Papi phones.
Nah, small. You know this way is now.
Okay, I just have to give her.
This one for you just catching on do $1.
So we don't use this kind of money here. Is that naira or transfer?
Oh, that's why I don't like Nigerian steals. No,
They give you $1, you
transfer.
I don't even get the app. Wow, download.
Oh yeah, now short me now.
Bring on for my hand.
Go run about. No worry, I did.
Sit down for me too.
Stop him now. Me, I guide. No worry.
Bro, I fit do it for you too.
Yeah, now do. I'm sure.
Ah.
Run on.
I mean, now because in talk. Big sis, we are here now. When in talk you, they say make him run am. He say I go do am. This one say talk to make him run am. He say I go do am. I can't talk my own.
And do Anna.
I thought it was a trend.
Which trend? Oh, God, give me my money, Joe.
Who is at the door? Ah! I'm coming.
Coming where? Oh, God, sit down.
Oh, where my Lamborghini now?
My university shows you.
Oh, not true. Oh, my party post.
That slap
offers
was
the best odds
a
and
hit.
bet on your favorite matches. Again, bet on your favorite team and win
Next
money.
time,
On
if you
party
see
post,
people
you get the
saying,
reward of
"Let me
150,000
pay, don't worry,
on
let
your
me
first
check the
deposit.
bill."
So how
You
do I
won't say
do it?
anything.
The
you
withdraw
just
and
do
deposit
it.
process is quite simple. Just use Paystack, Flutterwave, or Moneyfy. Just use the promo code Olua dollars and you will get
You don't have
150,000
You
naira.
don't have
Guy,
money,
link there in
you're
bio.
telling
Everywhere good.
Somebody that
There you
wanted
get.
to pay, that you're going to pay everything for that person. Imagine. And the person agreed now you want to change my That's slap is
I don't go lie. I like the way people they give me my respect for this area.
Who's
They give
giving
me
you
my
respect?
regard where. You don't even feel great. I bet you.
And I'm the first to greet person. Most one is trouble.
I get you.
I get you.
Who sing that music when they listen to now?
And now my brother,
And your brother.
JD Bombshare,
What will be the name of the song?
God of Mercy, they all platforms.
I like the song. He get nice voice. Now, if I reach chance now, I go download them.
Okay.
So, but Chama, why you pass us now? You no greet me now. You no make sense.
Oh, no verse, boss. Yes, good afternoon, boss.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
Fine, boss.
I beg, let me check. What will be your time for there?
5:30
5:30 p.m.
p.m. Yes.
That is evening. And you dey greet me good afternoon. Now I don't know the real time. Greet me well.
Sorry. Good evening, boss.
Good evening. Well done. How you doing? Why so soon, boss? I dey follow the talk. Whenever I talk finish, you just walk out on me like that. It no make sense now.
No, my mama tell me say my quick rush buy something for her for that store.
I dey follow you the talk. You dey hurry. You know they hurry for life.
Moscow, who are you?
It's better to be late than to be the late.
Who do you
Online
just
they be
call?
like this now. You go that message when your mama send you go buy am, but you no go waka go. Go buy the thing come,
How is that
but you
possible?
no go waka go. I know now you want to whether you want disappear or disappear.
Okay, boss.
Yeah.
Jesus!
So you know Jesus. You actually know Jesus. And you're looking for trouble everywhere.
Let me call the police.
Don't worry, I cannot do this.
Just call the police.
Don't be this one, now next. Hey! Oh my God!
One leg up.
Hey, call the police! Call the police!
Oh, now you want us to call the police. Next time, you cannot chase an armed robber. An armed man, you want to chase. African parents for no reason. Papa, Ade, and Ade. Let's see. Why is the father behaving like wizard, like demon? What is he even looking for? What is he thinking? Like, is he thinking that Ade is doing something?
Why you never see boyfriend?
Ade is with another
They
one.
wait for the right person to be the fan who get money thief.
You say you never see husband, and it's true. You're not waiting for the right person. The fan will get money.
You told me you were going home. I called your friends for the past 3 days. They say they never see.
Are you whining yourself?
I came to your house, you were not home.
They bad why here for?
Thinking I would engage you. Where are you coming from?
You know, say you don't cast. Just do small lie. Tell them say you get emergency. Say your network not too good. Now why you no call them?
Child of God, no listen to her. Tell her the truth. Only the truth will set you free. You see, say one marry you.
So the man no dey forget cheating. Even Abraham life for Bible Genesis 20. He lie saying your wife na his sister. Now waiting save your life.
Child of God, tell her the truth so that the Holy Spirit go help you.
With Holy Spirit, you no go forgive.
Child of
you.
God, tell her the truth.
You tell her the truth.
Baby, it's not what you think. Look at what happened here. So I was in the house the other day and I had an emergency call that I should come to the house now. Babe, my grandmother died of complications during childbirth. We're in the hospital like this.
Ember, it's okay now. It's okay. Stop there.
We're trying. Doctors tried. My grandmother gave birth to twins. One died and two survived.
Jesus Christ.
You hear what I hear?
We born twins.
One
That's
night, two
possible.
survive.
2 plus 2 now waiting. 4. You sure?
Babe, that's not who I was on my way coming. Do you know that I was kidnapped?
Layi.
Now you the sign of the cross.
Too far authentication.
Twins, you always feel I'm cheating. You know,
I am very sorry. I'm very sorry. I didn't know.
check my phone. I'll give you my passport.
It's
so you see my
no. It's okay.
no,
I'm
no,
sorry.
because-
This is to show you how sorry I am. Will you marry me? You know I love you. Oh, sweet in the middle. The tire. You don't reach here just now. Because not they pay you. What do you mean? You dey engage? Who come here? You know this is my baby girl now. Now my place she dey for the past 3 days.
Jesus.
Not be me even from career. Now my guy side. Now they take give me referral. Omo, when they give me this girl job description. No.
Alalo.
One.
What do you wear? I short. See, Juby. Go. What is this?
Hey, don't bust.
Sweet in the middle. Hey! Oh, yo.
So this girl now come get. How come? Income. So on top of her, everybody don't come.
You are welcome.
Come off it.
You said your grandmother died of complication. That's where you went to.
Oh, where's now?
You said you were kidnapped.
Oh, where's Akpo?
Gonna wait for Smart City.
Taco.
Hey! I don't carry am for Fine City before.
Even you too. Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna waste my time.
Ogeles, Ogeles, Taco.
It's just supposed to feed the help you now.
At least make she get house. The last time I carry am, she no gree go.
Now they need that when I need that instead.
Like this.
Now I know why Jesus wept.
He boss cried.
Some people can lie Like some girls can be so terrible. If you're not wise enough, like they are ready to use you like dustbin. Gosh, what a
Bros, I
lie.
beg a feet. See 1,000 naira.
What is wrong with
I beg borrow me.
Jesus.
1,000 naira.
I go give you tomorrow. The one where you borrow last week. Your tomorrow no dey come.
What exactly are you looking for in life?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Madam, I beg you cook.
One day you go chop poison.
Why are you asking Madam we cook? Why are you asking Madam whether? What concerns me to cook? Let's watch this video.
What's going on here?
Look at that one. Look at the way he's dancing. This one's already peeing on his body like. Oh, the charm is actually what makes him become a woman. That thing is the source of his.
Hey, hold on. Bro, you losing focus. You're supposed to get all the angles for the internet, bro. Can I get it to a side? What you mean to a side?
To a side.
Hell no! You peed on your pan, bro. What's going on, bro? Hey, come on. You need to clean up your mess, bro. You peed on your pan like that thing. Come on, get out of here. Hey. Sorry for the break in transmission. Hey, show me the moves. Spin for me, baby. Yeah. How about we do a combination of Ogen and TK and Sasa? What you think?
I know what I saw. That girl is an Obanje. She's an Umamiri, but I know what my pastor said.
Now I'm going to show you my move. That's right. Oh, I'm sorry. I got carried away. Ogen and TK. That's what they call it.
But I know what my pastor said.
Yes, you do.
I know what he said. You do. That the kingdom of God suffer the violence, and the violent take it by force.
You are just dancing, that is all you care
I am a
about.
choosing.
Oh,
you want me to, who are you? Who
Pakapakowski.
are you? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Let's go, baby.
He went to reinforce.
Hey, yo, boss. I ain't gonna let this happen. I ain't gonna let it happen. Come here, give me your hands.
What's going on?
Exhibit.
Jesus.
Grab man.
I told you, boss. Didn't I?
You didn't.
I did it.
Wait, what? Did he?
I did it. She ain't here. Yeah, she ain't cheap. Didn't I?
Oh, that's cool.
You can use your generation. Hey!
So bad.
Boss?
Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see her.
Learn salsa dance for free. I have been longing for this for a long time.
No, boss. You ain't gonna tell me you trying to go do this?
Are you hell are you, bro? Who doesn't like free stuff, bro? Hey! I want to learn salsa. It's a dream come through.
Can't you say it is for free? Who learns dancing for free? Who does that?
What you mean? Who does that? What you mean?
There ain't no free food in Freetown.
What's your job?
Open and close the gate.
Say one more time.
Open and close the gate. I know you're my boss, but I gotta tell you, there are underlying consequences for every damn thing you get for free in the street.
I see where this is going.
And the thing is that this man will actually advise you, but he's so stubborn.
Man, not again.
This is the best choice ever. I can teach you any kind of dance. From salsa to kizomba.
And when you're done, I'm gonna teach you a mixture of Genetic K.
Lacy, did he have mess?
dealing with him like crazy. Jesus!
Oh Lord, have mercy. Oh Lord, have mercy. Ain't nobody
What
gonna
is
dig.
he about to do?
Oh, man. God have mercy. Hold up. Something ain't right. Alhamdulillah.
This guy na Phoebe the boy. Na Phoebe the boy. Hey, Kevin Blaq, you're lucky, man. They have already positioned you. What is he doing with baby oil? This whole baby oil thing is actually trending, and I don't even know what that. I don't know, guys. Let's see how comedy.
Wait, I beg, wait.
What happened?
I beg. I won't give a cash much over there.
Talk with you want to talk. Don't talk about this rice like this. I know if he give you.
Okay. Just tell me where till the see money bought this food chop.
Okay, make I help your life now.
Jesus!
Are you nice boy? Are you nice boy? Now you shouting, ewo. You see someone madly hungry and you carry your food and position it at the front of him, like in his front, eat his food with big chicken.
Hello, boys. Please can I get a place to pee?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're telling a shower that you want to win. You want to pee. You are shower man.
Hey!
Wetin be this? Jesus.
What is it going there to see? Look at the way it's
You dey use your function to play. Are you playing? You dey use your generation
What
to
is it
play.
going there to see? See the way he left there. He left there in a confused state like crazy. You are a bad man.
You see me with not that. Bro, sharp. My phone just off. Make I reach my house, collect my call so that you go drop am for me. Oh yeah, na sharp. Thank you so much, bro. My bro, you want to reach your side? Make I go my side, go collect my cord and power bank so that you go send me the picture. You understand? Oh yeah, no wala na. Wait for you now. Thank you so much, bro. Kissly. Mama, what did you do, Kissly now?
Yeah, that's it. That's why it's like this. It's gone.
Kissly, you done with the picture where you love me with the talker. Alpha, I bet men are no first. Anybody sabi password for this place?
Wait, my brother died. You ask if he password.
Be
bad person,
like,
you know, say Kingsley, my brother, and any person. Nobody know his password or his details. But if you be any person, your friend died, that's of his password. Who go kill you?
Kingsley, you get my die with my picture with silly talker. You never to go far.
This is never to go far.
This is moving the hoodie now. Now go with the call Kingsley, so go pick him out. Sit down, they don't scatter this place for us. What do you have? President Kingsley. Okay. President Fenner.
I beg, go attend to this boy.
Guy, who you be? Bro, I don't find anything come. I just want me to tell me your phone password. Make I go collect my picture with Sydney Tucker.
This even went to Fire.
Alpha, bro, I get lost of memory. Since that time, I don't feel remember anything again. You get lost of memory? For when my picture will send it there for your phone. I swear. Alpha, my bro, I go kill you for here. But I don't die already now. You are going for the second death.
One day, my friend.
Like, even Sydney Talk, I don't even know, say this guy use and shoot skit. Now I say, now wait till you do person, then they go and bad. You did it to Burna Boy. They actually doing it to 1-1. Can somebody tell me what is going on?
Waiting be this. Jesus.
You will never be wise in your whole life anymore. You won't be wise. At all.
Who they pursue you? Baba, now poverty they pursue me. Baba, see, I tell you, I never feel sleep for night for how many days? I beg. I need money. See, People they look me down. I beg. Help my life. I beg.
Oh.
Can you run mad?
Raw mad ke. Now smarty now. This country says nobody normal. So why if I no feel raw mad?
Can you run mad for good 1 week?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1 week too small now. If I will extend that reach like 2 months, 3 months, because as far money they involved, Baba and
If you run mad finish, I'm the only person that can heal you. And if I heal you finish, you are going to get money.
You're going to get money.
Yes.
As far go heal me, no wala.
You'll be mumu. Don't worry. Man, do my work. If the next 1 hour now, you go run mad. Like a mumu man.
Hey, Baba.
Where is the band?
You are delivered. Hey, man.
Yeah?
So, Baba, you are not delivered.
Who is
Hallelujah.
going to heal me if I run mad?
Pastor, since we don't deliver me, I don't know the way my body is doing me. I'm just feeling good.
Baba.
Yes.
What did they happen for you?
My son, let me to tell this pastor. He just deliver me now.
Hallelujah. Who God deliver me if I run mad?
I don't know, because they don't burn my shrine.
Pastor, I beg. Since I go run mad within 1 hour, I beg, deliver me.
Sorry, my son. We know they deliver mad people.
Start to the grace. Now they rock in this place.
Now God go fit deliver her.
Oh, very unfortunate incident that happened to Mrs. C.
Fenge, what's up now?
Hello?
How many times have I told you Liber Ventures is the fastest and trusted place for you to trade your Bitcoin and your gift card? Or send a DM. Fenge, where are you heading to? Jesus.
No, me actually, I'm just around.
Very good. Okay, can I have your number?
Idiot.
Sure.
Hey!
You be like say now, film for your eye. The car will go. You won't carry a shower for night.
Yeah,
now you won't carry a shower for night. They finish you. I
don't think that is food. They enjoy my family, they're hungry.
Oh, I swear.
Sime, they do party for that next street.
No, I cut this party now. I know do.
Sime, the end of your party, yo.
End of your party.
We fall in.
Hi, we fall out.
Good man for there. Good man for there. I think this song is good, Daniel. These people are crazy. They are really crazy, like Oh yeah, let's go. Like even the red cloth to tie. Oh yeah. Are they beating them? Did they beat them inside?
Yes.
What is this?
Get it done.
You where they sleep with a man, fire go shave you on your.
You go shave your yasho. Baby oil. I don't know.
Next. Amaka.
Future.
Nala.
Future, now you with this.
Amaka.
Future. Future, you don't make her.
I don't back her now.
Still fight her.
You be the pray for me that AFC. You be the pray that I don't back her. Eh? As we break up that story change now, you know understand. You know say car may they go slow, they move. As we break up that I can't move. You dey get me so. And story don't change now. You dey go front?
Yes.
That just help you, don't understand. You call the Blaq oh.
You don't say you got the country, baby.
You don't see money back cream. Don't worry, I'll give you smart baby back cream. But they go.
Okay, thank you.
AMG used to carry your ex. Axe.
Not they today do Snapchat, you don't understand. As they do Snapchat, so they affect the AC and the leakage. You don't understand. That AMG be this.
So which day at the engine? AC, how now?
No, that you know see AMG once they do Snapchat, it go affect the and the leakage for the AC. You get my head.
Okay.
So you don't understand.
Future. Just 3 weeks, you don't buy a car. Hey, what is this life for?
No, the too short. You fish at just make the glass break. I beg. Calm down.
What you consider my voice? Consider car.
Now so it be. That's so AMG matter they be. You don't understand. As the shot, so you go break the whiskey.
I make I just drop. No worry, I go use like complete my journey. If I go talk one thing now, you go say I want bonds on your car. I don't they go.
Now AMG matter. This AMG go put me for trouble. As you dey shout, just like go affect the whiskey. They don't understand.
My chest. Which one be now AMG matter? Like, are you trying to make the girl feel uncomfortable because you're
guys, stand well now. You don't go get outside. You be woman. You not be man. You be man, oh. You don't join court. You don't understand me. You don't even touch you. Give him clothes. Who touch you? Who touch him?
Who touch you?
Who not touch you now?
He pay you?
Eh?
He pay you? He pay me. If you no pay, talk, come go inside, go 3 again, Woto.
In the okay. Strong guy. See, you know what go happen, and now we get this whole area. For this whole armor. Now we man, see the army. We get branch everywhere. Okay. Anywhere, try, put us score, we go ball out for you. In the army, you don't join something, no. Now your own be this. Take him.
This one look like D1 capo.
Now so he be national one like this. We are anybody with collect anybody, nobody bono.
As you go collect person for the army so.
Sharp, call me rugged. You don't come on board.
Shh. Active. I'll line for the later now.
Don't shake you. Put call, man.
That one day. Alpha, we think your house address. I want to rob you for night.
Come on, go. Copy this guy.
Who goes to the plantain now? This cut one.
Wow, unleash it on your fellow cut. Wow,
everybody avoid me. Clear the
road. Not
leave. When I want to fall out. No, nobody good. I'm just a test. You do it.
Yeah, we got so.
And later, I'm gonna join active, eh? I dey call.
Yeah, we got.
Come on, give me an idiot. Why you slap me? Papa, I'm not getting any reason why I slap you. I just want to cause trouble today.
Who slap my D1?
And you slap him. What you go do? You want challenge? Papa, no worry. You go see men go float. No. You go see what go happen here now. Hold on.
This number cannot receive calls at the moment.
You are finished.
You get credit. I bet me die this number. Don't worry, men go float.
The person that you to call your picture, I still tell him.
So I better know they active.
I won't be now.
I dey come. What the best? Bros, what's the problem? Me and you get issue. Then dupe you. Please confide in me as a brother. What's the problem?
Boy, come inside.
No, let's settle this thing under the sun so that thing goes to the
same movie. Go the key. On this side, man, don't swear for you. Go. Move. Come rep. Hey! That is
They're not doing you for fake cut. You're going to enter soup today. They will cook you and eat you. What is this? See the confidence. You went to slap somebody that's sitting down on
Jordan 4s or Jordan 1s, Rolexes.
Let's see this one.
Babe!
My AP costs 31.
Babe, meet my bestie. Bestie, meet my boyfriend.
Bestie?
Bro? Yeah, Shall be telling me a lot about you.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, that's you.
I gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
Don't be lie. Sharp.
Georgia 1, Crockett.
Okay, no, let me just pick up something here. I'll see you guys later. Yeah?
Okay, babe.
Yeah. Hey, now, bro.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Bestie!
Baby, can you do this for me?
Someone just shot my bestie.
When?
I don't know. Like, he was putting on black trouser. He was wearing a black top. He was putting on hand gloves. And he had a mask.
She knows. Why?
Babe!
this period, no way till they
Why are you
no way
wicked?
do my baby. Because the same girl way they carry the poof of my they
Babe,
Yes.
you forgot your wigs.
No, I didn't forget them. I purposely kept them there.
How you go leave your wig here?
Never
Not
for you
even
to
1,
come
2
back
weeks.
again.
Here no be saloon now. Or at the vampage.
Jesus.
Can't I keep my wigs in my boyfriend's house?
That is the point now. Your boyfriend's house, not your husband's house.
So what are you insinuating?
What I'm insinuating is that
They leave their wigs
you're
so that
gradually moving in.
they have access to your house the next time.
I can't carry your wig, I beg.
If I should carry this wig, I'm not going to come back to this house. Like, it's over.
Come they go. Come on!
Go.
If I am there!
They will be like, babe, it's not like I want to come to your house, so I forgot my wig. I'm coming to take it. And when they come, they will still. Yes.
Hello? Yes? Who is?
Prepare, next week you dey lap Lagos.
You mean a man?
You say you get talent now?
Yes, I get talent.
Especially that your guy Polo.
You see how?
Alright, I don't follow my manager talk. He go help you. You go win Grammy.
Na skits I dey do.
Don't worry, just dey come.
Jesus.
Call you the crazy.
Red flag. Did this mash up? Oh, did this mash up?
Wow. Anything? Nothing. Come inside now. You know what? Just hold on for here. Make I just shower. So I'll carry you come out. No wala.
Move that boy.
Mommy, see you.
That's all I do for you. Hey!
Red flag to the highest. I'm leaving.
A bad boy. Hey! Take it. Do not fucking run from me.
Why are you gay?
You are finished. You are gone. PDD don't owe you. You are gone. You are gone. You want to get down.
How are you? I miss you too.
Level.
Babe, who is that?
It's my sister. You want to talk to her?
Hello? Yeah, good evening. Oh.
I love you too.
Just sitting back.
Babe. Who are you talking to?
It's my mom.
I want to speak to her.
Okay.
Well, no problem.
Hello, mommy, good evening. Hi, the family. Will you keep quiet?
She say they white.
Why is she taking there?
What's in this?
The girl is actually cheating too. Girls fear them. See the way she comported herself with patience and everything. She didn't even quarrel the guy because he knows what she is doing as well. Look correct, Aboki. Portrait man.
Yeah, guys, this is me, Ninjali baby, Dollar Money Boy. As you can see, this one now my pawn 3, Ninjali baby, pawn 3, Money Boy. Jesus! How many pounds you deliver today?
Today Obi Kubana call me and say make I deliver 20 chickens for them.
Very good. Good. Continue.
For 20 for them. Okay. Full payment. Again, Davido come call me. Davido? Yes, Davido call me. I say make I deliver 15 chickens for them. He say Chioma won't do perpe soup for them.
Now you are talking.
I dey come back come. Okay, come call me. He say make I deliver 25 for them.
What will call you?
Yes, now. I delivered 25 tickets for him. He can't give me money for 5. Continue. He say next tomorrow, make I come back. He will give me the remaining money with 5 extra more. Hey! You supply 25 for him? Yes. He give me 5 money. 5 money. He send me a 5 tomorrow. Yes. He will give me the remaining money. Yes. Plus extra 5 more. He said that one now. Bonus level. La ilaha. Who said about supply the chicken for him? Hey! Where is the chicken there? Okay. Where is the chicken?
This evening you will die. She said, I play.
That's slap for me.
Just a play.
La. Where are you? DJ chicken. You know what? No. Oh, tomorrow if they go there, we they go together. We they enter Salaba. We they carry 1 tip of Endaba go there. Why 1 tip of Endaba? Are you mad? You don't know say na song go we they go. Okay. For security purpose.
Danjuma.
Walk away.
What's your problem?
You get baby oil?
Whatever DJ chicken is angry. Nothing.
Okay, I know they think nonsense. Now my picking for house one rubber.
Ah, thank God. At least now. Bros, now the last one they made and 30,000.
30,000 for baby oil. Not be 1.5 again.
Baby oil now better hot cake now for market. And the last one they made for you.
Everything for now for this country an opportunity. Hello, honey. You know follows the rub our body cream and baby oil no dey for market again.
My son, the soap done ready. Baba, I sure say this soap go work. Shut up! You dey doubt me? I'm gonna go for that for. Oh, God, you gonna pay over me. See, don't doubt me. If you say you quick come here, don't jazzy. When they come Marvin, I say they call her. He just come up for here. You saw when they use, I mean they give her. This guy also, OGB. We got buy dragon. The soap when you buy, when you use bath, they buy that dragon. Now me give back. Dissolve.
I got it deceive us. Maybe your guy must. Now don't catch me.
Go buy soap, go bath. What did they do?
I'm brother. Ain't you own a game on a just give me.
No wala. At least we go use and bath. That's no hard.
Keep bombing.
And they look for Yoruba Babalawo, a very strong man.
That's how meeting doctor. Most of them they will warn you. Don't believe in God. They'll play.
Good afternoon.
Okoriko,
the new house help, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. As you can see, I'm about going now, so just feel at home. Do something. I'm coming. Yeah, I won't wait. I won't stay long.
Bye, sir.
Feel at home don't mean to turn the house upside down.
A few moments later.
There are a lot of people telling them feel at home. Look at, they ask you to feel at home. Like eating bread and bread, watching TV, eating. Want to finish everything in the house.
What be this? Jesus. My friend, what are you doing? Are you not supposed to be cleaning?
I'm gonna be waiting tell me they come out now. I don't follow instruction well. I said they come out, see make I feel like clean. If I say tell me I clean, I don't clean everywhere. I never want this to say morning. This been the rain, you know no. Morning. What's that make?
Come on, shut your mouth. In fact, you are fired.
Fired. Okay, now please stop up. I know they like that kind of place. So you fire me. This country, tomorrow now go say AnthonUmeh they do us. You tell me say make I feel at home. I feel at home now. I follow common instruction. You don't start me. Only today where I start work. I'm gonna say I carry knife.
He even took all the bread. I think that guy never knew that the girl took his bread. Now night to go.
Where this guy did now? Party don't start now. Where this guy did? Oh, you know the pick. What's in the break it. Oh man, break it.
Now that's The person have arrived. So
go now. Time no day. Party.
Oh my guys. Anywhere it won't be. Make it for no be. Say na colors with this. Say na the highness will be the two will be small children where we they try one gather us.
No gadgets.
We just pray.
Jesus.
What is that? Is that the new style of taking? They don't show. They don't show spirit of.
Now my space be this. Go sit down for back.
That's Ines spirit. What is that? Why are they using balloon?
You know they go. I know they go. Calm down.
Okay. Jesus, my brain one blow. Hey, of that substance into the balloon.
I go save am. Oya mata.
Spirit of Ines. Don't be it. I'm something. Three houses, car, or even somebody. Let's see, let them dead.
Wait now. What is it now? What is it?
I want to talk to you.
Her word is 500 naira.
Hey! Okay.
How are you going to talk with 500 naira per word?
What is your name?
My name is Blessing.
God. You single?
We can talk about it later.
When you don't finish, wait, I am coming.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
You are happy spending money.
Keeping you waiting here. Okay. Let me just go straight to the point. Will you be my girlfriend? I still have extra for you.
I have a boyfriend.
Jesus!
Yo, who be that girl when you carry enter inside room? You say make we come here, come preach, come to evangelism today. You come down and accept your life and give your life to Christ. You dare up there with woman. Not the woman you carry enter inside the assistant pastor. Hold this ladder for me. Hold this ladder. And show say I no fall from this ladder. Now what woman voice will they hear for there? Then you lock the door to the entrance of your house so that we no go fit do evangelism for here. Brother, you come down and accept it. Oh my God! Assistant pastor, make a no fall from this ladder. If I fall from this ladder, you go perish. Assistant pastor. If you not come down, come accept this Jesus Christ, you go perish. You go perish if you not come down. You say that we come to evangelism. Hey, assistant pastor, this ladder they shake. This ladder they shake. Assistant pastor, if I fall, you go perish. You go perish if I come down. Oh my God, brother, yo, come down and accept this Jesus Christ. Come down. You carry woman, you they go fornicate. Your man who shall not rise. Your man who shall not rise. If he rise, he go fall. If he rise, he go fall. You go perish for that fornication. Oh my God, assistant
what kind of a prayer is that?
If I fall, you go perish.
You don't want your fellow man so that you will be able to Jagistan with you.
Oh my God.
You said
they try to fornicate with woman.
You're supposed to do evangelism with a woman upstairs. Eh? What kind of man of God is this? You even brought ladder so that you can be communicating with him. Just enter and go upstairs now. Eh? Who is this one again? Oh, SK.
May go stay on another place. Don't be able to do all those nonsense. Friday. How about it? Enter your house. Yeah. Go carry your things. If you cannot settle me, carry your things. Go enter your house. Don't come in, landlord. Don't pass here. Go carry your things. Don't they pay up? Landlord, I beg now.
First day now, SK get 4 builders.
What is your clothes?
He's not the landlord in this one. Thank God that's finally doing his own house.
Landlord. Yeah. Come and call your account number. Call your account number. Okay. Yeah. No air for you. Anyhow you want to see, if I no meeting for your house, I go meet you outside. Back. Yeah. Good day, young man. Yeah, how about you now? Everywhere good. Where's your driver's license? Friday. Can you be that? Could be Friday. Come. Like go light circle. Where's your driver's license? Be police. Why not be police? No, continue. Where's your papers? God have mercy upon you. What is the delay for now?
This is the tenants now.
Small now. Small, not here. I'm not the original paper for that. Shall you open your boot? They're not the carry the hands make an open boot. Not everybody for here know me. Now let me do like say you don't know me well. Check out now. See how. What time is this one? What do you talk? You dey sleep for your car? Yes. You get one of the sleep for inside motor. I dey drive till daybreak now. You can't tell us I sleep for inside. You leave house, they sleep for car. So you dey for accommodation for here.
Is it your business?
Chairman, you go this station.
The car is his
Come, don't act
property.
me like that too. I say you go this station. Don't act me like that. Where they walk you? You want to take this, sir? No worry. Bring your car key. Please up. Bring your car key. Come on, come on. Let me drag my key. Bring the car key. You the fish be smart. Go to walk you.
Hopefully, SK do competition. Are you okay? That is his turnout though. He's doing all that to SK because of what SK did.
It's even when come like down the lile man. I told you like down the lile call you see my what a po. Mi gba ni ka ma down le ota. As dey la ota nisin. Ota ti gbe sikin jáde pẹ̀lú pesi tutu na fún mi ba. Torí sikin. Sikin wa don torí ni.
What killing?
Èmi máa padà lọ́lé ọ̀tá torí ìgbà tí tó kọ́ mi àwọn máa gbé jọ lọ fún kalẹ̀.
Ebi ti fẹ́ lu ayé wọn.
Ah, you're going back to the enemy's house to eat chicken and Pepsi. You said something. Try the
Hello, fine girl. Who are you? You look so beautiful, and I want us to.
And I want us to.
Baby girl, why this for me now?
I beg, I know they follow people when no get level they package.
Hey, you be like saying no what they come you. Okay, this steez and composure.
Jesus. Oh yeah, give me one punchline now.
Baby girl, let's go to the room.
To do what?
Because I want to make you my roommate.
Is that a pickup line? That pickup line is popular line. There's no one that doesn't know. There's no one that doesn't know that kind of pickup line. Very good pickup line. What his friend is. That burger must be the only one and Queen.
What did you just say be your name?
So you're eating my burger, eating my plantain chips, eating my chips. But you don't want me to just peck, not even a kiss from the mouth to the mouth, just peck. Guess. How many times I call you now? We have come to the end of this funny comedy compilation video, and I want to say a very big thank you for watching it to this extent. And as for those of you that stick around till the end, thumbs up to you and keep doing it, because one day I am actually going to reward you for your loyalty. All right, guys, if you're new on this channel and you've not subscribed, you just stumble upon my channel for the first time, don't hesitate to smash the red. Is it red? The subscribe button is no longer red but black and white. Don't hesitate to smash the black and white subscribe button, and also like and share this video. Comment your favorite moment in this comedy compilation. So today we're going to be jumping into our favorite moment in this comedy compilation. My favorite moment might not be your favorite moment, so whichever is your favorite moment, let me see it in the comment box below. All right, guys, let's dive into our favorite moment. Number one, which one are we going to put number one? Let's make this one number one. Moscow. You see what Moscow did there? Moscow is somehow unstable. The way you think, I don't know what is wrong with Moscow. Just because people were passing and greeting you, you think maybe that is how everyone is going to be greeting you forever in the community. And this guy just gingerly passed you. You don't even know who he is, and you want him to greet you. He was so gentle enough and decent enough and polite enough to stand and greet you. Like he greeted him politely. SK even said, Moscow even went ahead to say, it is not time yet. So he greeted in the wrong time. And the guy actually politely greeted Moscow again correctly. Good evening. And Moscow were just trying to, cause trouble, because maybe I think Moscow don't join court new. Moscow join court new, because if not, where is the gods coming from? Look at the way he was talking to this guy, and at the end of the day, the guy and you were shouting, Jesus, Jesus. So you know Jesus, and you are doing all this, treating people ill treatment, like that is wickedness. The guy, if I were the guy, I wouldn't have disappeared. I would just take I would take Moscow along with me and to whosoever that gave me that chance to disappear. So they will deal with him. He will learn a lesson. I will take him to the wilderness. Yeah, I will take him to the wilderness. Guys, number 2 on our list here is going to Lomani. Lomani. Like, what is all about this? These DDs or DDs mansion stuff. I don't really get it. Just because of what happened to Puff Daddy, the American rapper slash singer. Everyone is just like, the matter now. So they are just using it to add comedy, use it to add skits. And so whenever you see that oil, just run away. It is not ordinary oil, but that baby oil, run away. And this will actually make baby oil to be very expensive in Nigeria. That is if truly they are taking advantage of it in that direction. It'll be me talking more. Baby oil will be very expensive. Don't come and make baby oil be very expensive for the innocent people that wanted to buy it genuinely for their babies. This country, Lomani almost in fact, he got himself into a very serious case. Very serious case. He was called that he was choosing for something when he got the Diddy's mansion, but he changed to DB's mansion. But at the end of the day, he was taken inside. Baby oil fell and then boom. Maybe my mouth, you go take yes, say monkey go market, he no come back again. That is very hilarious of him. And also, before I forget, this guy, this particular guy here is just an upcoming comedian, like a very, very, in fact, he has not even become an upcoming. He's still way back, like, but I love him. The way he's going right now, I think he has not even started. He's not there yet at all, but he has started receiving help from big comedians like Sydney Tucker and others. But first of all, let's talk about him and Sydney Tucker. Do you remember when Sydney Tucker shoot comedy with Burna Boy? And Sydney Tucker even came out to, narrate the whole process, how he managed to feature Burna Boy into his skit. Normally one-on-one, Sydney Tucker no get level. He doesn't have that level. He doesn't have that influence to get Burna Boy to shoot comedy skit with him. He doesn't have that at all. Burna Boy's manager will not allow that. He shot comedy with Davido one time like that. Because he met Davido somewhere. Davido is a very free person. I don't really know why. Maybe this is the reason why Wizkid is calling him cheap. This is the reason why Wizkid see him as a cheap guy. No, that is just his own personality. He's doing it doesn't make him a cheap. Being good doesn't make you cheap, But in the case of this Burna Boy, I think his manager will never allow him a Grammy winner. Hey. So Sydney Tucker used skis, and even Burna Boy was shocked the way he saw himself on the screen shooting skit, and he was like, "Is that my spirit? Who invoked my spirit to act without my knowledge?" Sydney Tucker just do it. And the same thing he did to Burna Boy, that same thing has happened to him. This guy also made him shoot skit with him, unknowingly to him, unknowingly to the comedian, which is Sydney Tucker. And Sydney Tucker was so shocked, but at the end of the day, he loved it, just like Burna Boy. And he posted this guy and told everyone to follow him. And that is why I added the skit on this compilation video. And I think by so doing, every one of you here will be familiar with him. So find him, follow him, because it's very good to support one another. So what do you think about this particular comedy? What do you think about it? All right, guys, let's jump into our next compilation that thrilled us the most. Which one? I want to say Mr. Six. or Oluwa dollars. That slap Oluwa dollars receive is so serious. Like when you are in any gathering, if you know you don't have money, don't try to be as if you have want to support what you know you cannot if they ask you to do. So thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around. And I really want to say a very big thank you once again. I appreciate you guys for supporting me. And if you've not subscribed and you're still watching and laughing, you're not doing us any good. Subscribe, turn on post notification bell icon. The bell icon will make you get notified anytime I post a new video. And also don't forget to like this video, share it to all your social media platforms, and also comment how you feel, comment what you want to say. It is for free. No one is going to draw you any money. Goodbye, and don't touch the die. Expect more from Crity Boy. Have a wonderful time. Bye.